The centre is yet to decide on continuing the suspension of Operation SoO agreement with Kuki militant organizations amid demands from political parties and Meitei civil society groups in Manipur not to extend a peace pact with the state's tribal insurgent groups. The SoO was first signed in 2005 with Kuki militant groups operating in Manipur's hill districts. It has been extended periodically and expired on February 29. The central government is still continuing the talks, a source privy to the development said, without giving any indication whether the SoO will be extended or not. The Manipur government, which has been part of the SoO agreement, had in March 2023 announced unilateral withdrawal from the pact with two Kuki-dominated insurgent groups, alleging them to be involved in encroaching of forest land. However, at that time, the central government did not endorse it. On Thursday, the Manipur Assembly adopted a resolution urging the centre to completely abrogate the SoO pact with all the Kuki militant groups. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh wrote on X, the 12th Legislative Manipur Assembly, on the second day of its fifth session, unanimously resolved to urge the central government to completely abrogate the SoO pact with all the Kuki-ZOO militant groups. He said the decision comes in the interest of insurging peace and security in the region. The 10 Kuki Jomi Mar MLAs of Manipur, including 2 ministers, have not been attending the assembly session ever since ethnic conflict in Manipur between Kukis and Meitei started on May 3, 2023. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) and influential Meitei civil society organization has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi the urgent need for caution and re-evaluations of any decision regarding the extension of the SoO agreement with Kuki groups. On November 29, a peace pact was signed by the government with Imphal Valley-based oldest terror outfit, United National Liberation Front (UNLF), a group dominated by the majority Meitei community, under which the insurgent faction has agreed to renounce violence.